Let's talk about something almost everyone forgets: neck wrinkles. You take care of your face, maybe even your hands, but your neck? It's often the first place to show signs of aging, that crepey, sagging, turkey neck skin that makes you look older than you actually are. But here's the good news: you can tighten, smooth, and fade neck wrinkles naturally. And you probably already have the secret in your bathroom drawer. Yep, Vaseline. That plain little tub of petroleum jelly that's been sitting there forever? It's about to become your new anti-aging secret weapon. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Vaseline works on neck wrinkles, the science behind it, the right way to apply it, and a few powerful natural add-ons to supercharge your results. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know how to create a simple, dermatologist-approved night treatment that can make your neck look years younger, without spending a dime on fancy creams. Remember to like and subscribe for more anti-aging hacks. Let's get real for a second. The skin on your neck is different. It's thinner, it has fewer oil glands, and it doesn't produce as much collagen as your face. That means less natural moisture, less elasticity, and more visible signs of aging. And here's the kicker: we move our necks all the time. Looking down at phones, hello, tech neck, sleeping on our sides, squinting, talking. All of that motion folds the skin again and again, just like creasing paper. Over time, those folds turn into fine lines, and those fine lines turn into wrinkles. Add sun exposure and dehydration into the mix, and you've got yourself the perfect recipe for sagging, crepey neck skin. Now, most people panic and buy expensive neck creams filled with fancy ingredients like peptides and collagen boosters. But here's the truth: most of those creams don't even work unless your skin can hold onto moisture. And that's where Vaseline, that humble, shiny jelly, comes in like a hero nobody saw coming. Let's break this down. Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, is an occlusive. That means it doesn't add moisture. It locks in the moisture your skin already has. Think of it as a seal, a barrier that prevents all that precious hydration from evaporating. So while expensive creams sit on your skin and dry up after a few hours, Vaseline actually traps water inside your skin cells, keeping them plump, hydrated, and smooth. Now here's where it gets interesting. Studies show that moisture loss, called transepidermal water loss, is one of the main reasons your skin ages. When that barrier breaks down, your skin loses elasticity, collagen, and firmness. Vaseline literally seals that barrier and stops the aging process in its tracks. And this is where the comparison gets juicy. Most neck creams that cost $80 to $200 include occlusive agents, mineral oil, dimethicone, shea butter. But guess what? Vaseline is stronger, purer, and 10x cheaper. It's fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist approved. Even celebrities like Marilyn Monroe and Jennifer Lopez have used it as their beauty secret for glowing, wrinkle-free skin. So yes, bestie, that little blue jar? It's skincare gold. Let's get into the good part: how to actually do this Vaseline trick so it works like magic overnight. And I mean literally overnight. If you do this right, you'll wake up and see that glow, that baby smooth texture, staring back at you in the mirror. So, grab your Vaseline and let's go step by step. Step 1, start with clean skin. I know it sounds basic, but this part matters more than people realize. Wash your neck gently with a mild, non-stripping cleanser, something hydrating, not foamy or harsh. The goal here is to remove sweat, oil, sunscreen, and pollution that have built up during the day. When that layer of dirt is gone, Vaseline can actually seal in moisture instead of trapping gunk underneath. After cleansing, pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Don't rub, just pat. You want your skin to stay a little bit damp. Step 2, apply Vaseline while your skin is still slightly damp. This is where the magic begins. When you apply Vaseline on damp skin, it traps that water, literally sealing it inside your skin cells. That's what gives you that plump, dewy, bouncy look that screams younger skin. Scoop out just a pea-sized amount. You don't need to slather it on. A thin, even layer does the job perfectly. Now here's a bonus tip. If you want an extra collagen boosting kick, you can apply a hydrating serum or a few drops of rose water first. then layer the Vaseline on top. It acts like a moisture sandwich, locking in every drop of hydration beneath it. Step 3. Massage it in using upward strokes. This is one of those steps that separates okay results from amazing results. Always massage your neck upward, never down. Gravity is already trying to pull your skin south, so don't help it. Use your fingertips to glide from your collarbone up to your chin in long, gentle motions. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes doing this. It boosts circulation, brings oxygen to the skin, and helps your cells absorb that hydration even deeper. This little massage also stimulates fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. So you're not just moisturizing, you're literally signaling your skin to start rebuilding. Think of it like giving your neck a mini facial, but without the spa bill. Step 4. Let it sit and do its thing overnight. Once you've massaged it in, give it a few minutes to settle before you hit the pillow. You'll feel a soft, smooth layer over your skin. That's your moisture barrier sealing in all the goodness. Then go to bed and let your body do what it's naturally meant to do, repair itself. At night, your skin regenerates faster. Vaseline simply helps protect that healing process, locking in all that moisture so nothing evaporates. It's like wrapping your neck in a cozy, invisible blanket that keeps it nourished while you sleep. And when you wake up, your skin will feel softer, more hydrated, and just healthier. Over time, and I mean in just a few consistent weeks, you'll notice the difference. Those tiny lines around your neck start to fade. That crepey, dry look smooths out. Your skin starts to look like you've had professional treatments done. But it's literally just Vaseline. Now, let's put things in perspective. There are dozens of high-end overnight neck repair creams that promise these same results. They come in beautiful glass jars, smell fancy, and have words like firming complex and youth concentrate on the label. But when you read the ingredients, you'll often find alcohols, silicones, and preservatives that actually dry your skin over time, especially if you're using them daily. Those creams give you temporary smoothness, not long-term repair. Vaseline, on the other hand, doesn't pretend to be high-tech. It just does the work. It's 100% pure, dermatologist-tested, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic. It doesn't irritate, doesn't clog pores, and doesn't strip your skin. It just locks in moisture, supports barrier repair, and gives your skin time to breathe and heal. And the best part? It doesn't just treat wrinkles, it prevents future ones. By keeping your skin hydrated and elastic, you're protecting it from creasing and sagging down the road. So next time you see a $180 anti-aging cream ad on Instagram, just smile. Because you know the real secret, and it's sitting right there in your bathroom cabinet. That's the power of the Vaseline trick, bestie. Simple, effective, and seriously underrated. Now, if you're feeling fancy, here are some next-level Vaseline combos that turn this trick into a legit anti-aging routine. 1. Vaseline plus aloe vera gel. This combo is amazing if you've got redness or sun damage. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants and enzymes that soothe and heal your skin. Together, they calm irritation while locking in hydration. 2. Vaseline plus vitamin E oil. If you're chasing that firm, youthful neck look, this is the one. Vitamin E boosts elasticity, fights free radicals, and helps fade dark spots. Mix 1 capsule of vitamin E into a teaspoon of Vaseline before bed, and wake up with a smoother, glowier neckline. 3. Vaseline plus rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is loaded with vitamin A and essential fatty acids that naturally boost collagen. This combo helps reduce discoloration and restore your skin tone. 4. Vaseline plus castor oil. This one's for mature skin. Castor oil penetrates deeply and stimulates elastin and collagen production. Together, they make your neck look firmer and more youthful. You can alternate these blends nightly depending on what your skin needs. Here's the deal. Even though Vaseline is a miracle for the skin barrier, what you do outside your skincare routine matters too. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. If your skin doesn't have enough water from the inside, there's nothing for Vaseline to lock in. Drink enough water daily. Your neck will thank you. Tip 2. Eat collagen-boosting foods. Salmon, berries, avocado, flax seeds, and bone broth. These help your body naturally rebuild collagen. Tip 3. Sleep on your back. Pressing your face and neck against the pillow causes sleep wrinkles that deepen over time. Tip 4. Don't forget sunscreen. Your neck gets as much sun as your face, yet most people skip SPF there. UV exposure breaks down collagen faster than aging itself. And the biggest tip? Be consistent. You won't see dramatic results overnight, but within a few weeks, your neck will start to feel smoother, softer, and visibly tighter. ETs compare this to what the beauty industry sells you. Most anti-aging neck creams market collagen-boosting peptides, or miracle molecules. But here's what dermatologists know. Collagen molecules are too large to penetrate the skin. They just sit on the surface while you're paying $150 for a dream. What your skin actually needs is moisture retention to stay hydrated enough for natural collagen to rebuild itself. That's exactly what Vaseline does. It creates the perfect environment for your skin to heal. So while luxury creams dry up in a few hours, Vaseline stays put, protecting, repairing, and preventing further damage. So here's your reminder. You don't need to spend hundreds to look youthful. You just need to understand your skin. Vaseline might not come in a fancy jar, but it delivers what your skin truly needs: protection, moisture, and repair. And sometimes it's the simplest things that bring the biggest transformations. So try this Vaseline trick tonight, and in a week, look at your neck in the mirror. You'll see it, that glow, that smoothness, that confidence coming back. Because aging gracefully isn't about fighting time. It's about giving your skin what it's been missing. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who needs this glow-up secret. Hit that like button, subscribe to Anti-Aging Hack, and let's keep making natural beauty go viral, one simple trick at a time.